zonke leaders esikhona endlini endibudiswa tato mama obhutosisa abantu abatsha children ministry hallelujah our visitors hallelujah kodwa ngiyakholelwa dedi nomama ukuthi sonke sizintsana zenu hallelujah so ngiyabulisa ungcwele hallelujah hallelujah siyazwile Nkosi ngicela athi ukhawuleze uze neBhayibheli yakho apha ecawa kwami ngiyayika le-15 minutes hallelujah hallelujah ngicela ubaleka kanjani sonke sikhile encwadi kaLuka chapter 23 ndiyabona ke tata ngoba ndiqale phaa kuverse 39 uba ikhona into endifuna ukuyikroba phaa to verse 43 Luke chapter 23 verse 39 to verse 43 hallelujah.
One of the criminals who hung there held insulted him. Aren't you the Messiah? Save yourself and us. But the other criminal rebuked him. Don't you fear God, he said. Since you are under the same sentence, we are punished justly, for we are getting what our deeds deserve. But this man has done nothing wrong. Then he said, Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom. Jesus answered him, truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise.
Hallelujah. Uthixo wenze kakuhle hallelujah ngenxa yezwi lakhe. Tata izwi lesibili hallelujah bathi ndiyakhalela I think sinikezwe i-theme apha ekhaya for this conference in the book of Isaiah chapter 43 verse 19 hallelujah behold hallelujah I'm doing a new thing hallelujah and kholelwa ukuthi uYesu uyakwakha emnqamlezweni inhloso yayikwenza okutsha hallelujah and yabona ke tatam kule misizwana yami ishekileyo imbalo ndisebenzise nje isihlokwana esincinci phansi kwentetho yami ndizayithetha ndisebenzise isihloko esithi the power of agreement hallelujah the power of agreement amandla esivumelwano hallelujah because ndinayo into ethi the time amabhadi amabini ehlangana noYesu emnqamlezweni inhloso yayikuthi ibe khona isivumelwano ibe khona icovenant ezakwenzeka hallelujah hallelujah athi ma ethetha incwadi kaTito I think chapter 3 verse 5 hallelujah athi akungamisebenzi emihle siyenzileyo hallelujah kodwa kungobabalo kungenxeba yakhe sasindiswa hallelujah hallelujah there is one principle endiyithandayo kwi-principle zonke zikaTito i-principle ethi we need to agree with God because iBhayibhile ithi bakhe bayihamba apha ababini indlela bengavisisani so silibandla likaKristu sidinga ukuba sibe ngabantu abavumelana noThixo endikholelwa ukuthi masivumelana noThixo sivumelana nezwi kuba unguThixo ngolizwi athi mayethetha uJohane chapter 1 athe uqalekeni ube ekhulizwi waye ulizwi enguThixo waye ulizwi enguThixo hallelujah ithi akubanga khona into zonke izinto zabakho ngaye hallelujah hallelujah zonke izinto zabakho ngaye isizathu kedethi ndiqale apha kuverse 39 phasi kodiswa ngamadoda amabini aye asiwa athalelwe emnqamlezweni ukuthi abethalelwe kunye noYesu but ndiyenda qaphela ii-characters ezimbili zamadoda ndiqaphele ii-characters ezimbili uthi xa ethetha uverse 40 of this chapter uthi this man